Hi, this is Todd with ESOTERIC Car Care. Today we're going to be taking a look at Kamikaze Collection's new lineup of polishing pads. Okay, those of you who've been following us for a while, you know that we absolutely love Kamikaze Collection products. We've been the sole distributor here in the United States for quite some time, and we were the first distributor worldwide with it. So they have come up with some new products, actually been working on in Japan for quite some time, to just make it a part of the whole process of from refining the paint to protecting the paint to maintaining the coatings that go on it. So with that, we've got a new line of pads here. And you start off, for those that are looking for something that's got heavy cut, we have got the wool pad, which has got a nice foam interface to it here. It's different than a traditional foam pad that you're going to get. You've got 3-inch version and you've got the 5-inch version. And these are nice too. You know, not only are they marked on the back, but they've got a centering hole for those of you using like Rupus machines. Use this with it, they work really nice. So heavy cut, you have got the wool. For a medium cut, that can either be used in a compounding capacity or it could be used in a one-step capacity. Just depends on the paint, what you're going for, what kind of products you're using with it. But we have got this one-step slash compounding pad, depending on your needs. It's a really versatile pad. We've actually been working with this one for, geez, probably over a year now in a few different forms, and now we finally settled on the exact pad. We really like this one. It comes into play a lot out in the shop. And then finally, we have got a nice finishing pad. Now, years ago, always used for finishing, it was always a nice soft black foam. And some of the European foams change things. They're a little bit more dense pad, and it's not as easy to find a nice black finishing pad anymore. Well, now Kamikaze has them in both the 3-inch and the 5-inch. You're dealing with more delicate paints. These are really nice. Or if you just wanted something to, you know, if you're doing some waxing or something, which you shouldn't be doing if you're talking Kamikaze products here. But this is soft enough to use it there as well. Now, to go with that, and we'll probably end up doing a separate video on these, but we've added their new compound and polish. So with this one, you got the Ichiban finishing polish, no silicone, no fillers, water-based, nice finish polish. You're probably going to team these up together. Or if you're a Sonax Perfect Finish type person, you can team it up with this. Likewise, on this one, it can go a couple of different directions. With their Banzai cut compound, you can use this with either of these pads. You could use this with a Sonax Perfect Finish if you're going for the one-step, a little bit lighter cut. Or even on some hard paints, you can use these together, or if you're a Jescar correcting compound person, they would work really well together. And then when you're talking about the heavier wool, naturally it's only going to go on the heavier compound with Banzai cut or Jescar correcting compound. They all work really well together. So to complete their lineup of products, now we can go in and we can refine the paint with their pads, with their polishes. We can go in and coat it with the variety of Kamikaze coatings we have out there, and we can maintain it with overcoat and water spot remover and all. So it just completes the lineup we have here at ESOTERIC for the Kamikaze collection of products. So that is it on the new products. If you have any comments or questions about them, leave them below. Those of you who are following on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel because we're constantly updating on new videos on detailing products, tools, and techniques. For Kamikaze Collection, ESOTERIC Car Care, I'm Todd Cooperrider. Thanks. We'll see you again next time.